In the heart of bustling York, where the city's history intertwines with modern student life, there stands Frederick House, a sanctuary for those seeking not just accommodation, but a vibrant community woven with tales of camaraderie and discovery. Cradled in a vibrant neighborhood of York, Frederick House offers an array of modern and spacious ensuite, studio, and shared apartments. Each apartment is fully furnished with a comfortable bed, spacious wardrobe, dedicated study area, ample storage space, a fully equipped shared kitchen, and clean bathrooms. But what makes Frederick House truly special are its hidden treasures within the old police station, transformed into vibrant social spaces. A vibrant lounge where friendships blossom, a hosting kitchen for culinary adventures, an eccentric cinema room for movie magic, a well-equipped on-site gym to keep your body active, and quiet study nooks for moments of inspiration. As the day winds down, relish the convenience of Frederick House's central location. A leisurely walk to the University of York or exploring the city's vibrant offerings becomes effortless. When weekends hit, head to the city's vibrant eateries and restaurants including Hallo Mallow, Call House, and Il Paradiso del Cibo. Additionally, essentials like Iceland Supermarket York and Sainsbury's Local are also nearby, while public transport stops such as the Ulma Terrace, Fulford Road bus stop, and York Railway Station are also placed at a commutable distance, connecting you to different parts of the city and beyond. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the journey, create memories, and be part of a story that celebrates the richness of student life in York with Frederick House Student Accommodation. Head over to amberstudent.com and book your home away from home today.